Hey guys, it's Danielle. Welcome back. Today is going to be a clean and declutter with me. We are in the two youngest girls' rooms, and my Sophie is actually going to be my assistant today. So we kind of have our work cut out for us. I'm just getting down there and cleaning out underneath the bed, underneath the dressers, all the nooks and crannies where all the little toys and papers and stickers tend to form. So I got some good music, and I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll be checking in periodically.
That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I missed you. Give me that kiss now.
Well, if you guys are like me, when I start to clean and organize a room, I just get so antsy with furniture, so I am known to always move stuff around. So we don't really have a lot of options because our rooms are pretty small, but I just went ahead and I changed up the bed. I'm bringing the dresser over here and just giving it a whole new fresh face for spring.
Dancing, I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak.
Alright guys, you have seen me clean out this closet before, but here I go, cleaning and decluttering yet again. These dolls are Rhea's old American Girl dolls. I don't know what I should do with them. The two little ones really don't play with them, and my dad spent a lot of money on those, and I just kind of keep them there in hopes that maybe somebody would want them one day. I don't know. Any suggestions on what I should do, let me know. But yeah, I'm just going through cleaning up stuff. They love their books, so I just keep them all in this little dresser, and I'm just trying to straighten this mess out.
That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy.
So I have Sophia right here, and she's putting away her toys that we had on the bed that we found around the room, and she's just organizing them the way she likes. I found this little organizer at Marshall's to store their gloves and their slippers. And like I said, I'm just going through and just straightening up the rest of the room, cleaning off the bed, sweeping more stuff off the floor. We're just getting done with Valentine's Day, guys, so there's tons of Valentine's and Valentine's Day stickers all over this place. So I always buy these GLADE air fresheners for their room. I absolutely love them. They last a long time and they're pretty affordable. Then I went ahead and picked up this new cleaner from CLOROX. It's like the Febreze and the lavender smell. I love it. I like the fact that it has the CLOROX in it, so I can really kill all these germs because this flu season is killer. And now I'm just doing my floors with the Method floor cleaner. I love the smell, and this is just the finished product. This is how the room is looking. Like I said, I changed up some of the toys and the bed, and just to give them a different look and just to freshen up the space and brighten it up. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video, and I would love if you would stick around and subscribe. We do all types of stuff around here, and I will see you on the next one. Take it easy.